Hey guys, this is Kousik and you are watching Drag and Drop YouTube channel. Welcome to our channel. Let's start with our basic Java program and how to install Java editor and other useful softwares at your system. Let's start. First step is we have to install Jdk at our system. The full form of Jdk is Java Development Kit. What does it do? We have to know what does Jdk do. Actually, Jdk enables to execute any Java program at your system. It provides you the environment to run any Java program at your system. So, if you don't install Jdk, you will never be able to run any Java program at your system. Secondly, we will need a Java editor. Java editor means which will provide you a space to write and execute any Java program. You can write, compile and execute any Java program in that editor. So Jdk is actually providing you the environment to run any Java program, and a Java editor is providing you the space where you can write and compile a Java program. Is it clear? There are so many Java editors available in market, but presently we will use Bluej editor, which is widely used and very easy to understand. Okay, so presently we will use Bluej editor. Now I will show you how to install Jdk and Bluej editor on your system. Let's check the steps to download and install Jdk and Bluej on your system. First, we have to download Jdk and Bluej from internet. Let's check how to install Jdk. Okay. So we will go to the Google Chrome and just we will search Jdk download. And the first page will be the page from Oracle, which redirects to the Oracle page of Jdk download. I will provide all the links in the description below. Here we will go to the Windows section. In the Windows section, we will get the Jdk Software. Here it is. The Jdk Software is here. Let's download it by clicking on the link. Here it is the download link of Jdk Software. Jdk Software is provided by Oracle. Actually, Jdk and Bluej, both the softwares are downloaded at my system. So step 1 is done. Downloading of Jdk is done. Now we will download the Bluej editor. Let's check the steps to download Bluej editor. To download Bluej editor, we will go to the bluej.org, and here we will get the latest Bluej version and we will download it. Go to the Windows section. Here it is. The Bluej software is also downloading. I am providing the Bluej software download link in the description below. So Jdk and Bluej both have been downloaded. Actually, both of these softwares are already downloaded in my system. So step 2 of downloading Bluej software is also done. Let's proceed to the installation of these two softwares. You can check your downloads folder, where you can find both Jdk and Bluej is downloaded over there. Here it is. Bluej and Jdk both are downloaded in my system. You have to go your system's download folder, where you will find both these softwares which are just downloaded. Let's start with the installation steps. Firstly, we will have to install the Jdk software. So, to install the Jdk software, we will just go to the downloads folder, where we can get the setup of the Jdk software. Just double click on the Jdk software setup and it will start installing at our system. And you just click on next. So installation of Jdk is done. So now we can check at our control panel, where we can see Java SE development kit which have been installed at our system. Let's proceed to the Bluej installation now. So we have installed the Jdk software. Now we will have to install the editor software, which is Bluej. Now we will install the Bluej software, which is also saved at our download folder. Just double click on the Bluej software setup and it will open a window, and here all the 3 checkboxes should be checked to press next. So just install it on your system. It is getting installed at our system. It will take some time to get installed. So we'll finish it. It has been installed at our system. Now we will just check at our control panel. We'll go to our control panel so that we can check that Bluej is here. It is. The Bluej is also installed at our system. So both the Jdk and the Java editor tool has been installed at our system. Now we can proceed to our first Java program. both the necessary softwares have been installed. So both the necessary softwares to learn, write, compile and run any Java program have been installed at our system. So now we can proceed to our basic Java program, first Java program. Let's proceed to the first Java program. What will we try? We will print welcome to Kousik's Tech Tutorial. You can print anything you want. We will have to just print welcome to Kousik's Tech Tutorial using a basic Java program. This will be our first Java program. Okay, let's check how to do it. To write our first program, we will have to double click on the Bluej icon and it will open the window of the Bluej editor, where at the top left corner we can find the tab named project. We will have to click on the project, where we can find a tab called new project. So we will have to create a new project. First we have to create a new project, Tech Tutorial. Okay, and we will have to press OK. Next we will have to create new class. We will have to create a class. Let's select a class name. Kousik's. No, let's. The class name is first program. You can write anything of your choice. Now just double click on the class name. Just double click on the class name first program. Here you can give your name and you can provide the date also. Here I am writing Kousik's Tech Tutorial. You can write your name and just quote it. By slash and star, by using slash and star, we can quote any sentence or any letter. Here we will keep only this part. Public class, the class name is first program, and then the curly braces starting and curly braces are ending. And our program will be inside these two curly braces. Let's check it out. Here we will have to write public static void main. Main is a method. All the Java programs are calculated, main calculations are done within this main method. Actually, main method is the main part. So after the main method, we will have to again open a curly brace and end it. And what we want to do with this Java program, that part we will have to write within this main method. First we will have to know about public static void main string args. You will have to be careful because Java editor is case sensitive. Okay. Here you can see the public static void main string args part, where public, static, void and main, these words are written in small letter, whereas string is starting with a capital letter. if you try to write string starting with a small letter s, it will give error. Okay, so you will have to be very much careful about this case sensitive matter. Next, what I have already spoken to you about the main method. Main method is the portion where we write the main part of any Java program. It is declared as void. Void means it will return nothing. You cannot return anything with main function, main method. You can use any other method's returned value in the main method, but you can never return anything with main method, because main is the final, or you can say main method is the conclusion part of any Java program. It is giving you the conclusive result, so you are not able to return anything with this method. You can just use any other method's returned value in this main method. We will discuss these things in depth later. So we just focus today on our basic program. And one more point, in the main method, all the lines are executed line after line by the Java interpreter. Line after line it will be executed. Okay. And it is executed by JVM. The full form of JVM is Java Virtual Machine. So we can say all the main calculations or main parts of our program will be written within the main method. So now we will have to print welcome to Kousik's Tech Tutorial. So we will have to write that print part within the main method. To print anything, we write system.out.println. You can use ln or you can use only print. Ln means new line. So we are writing system.out.println, and within first bracket we are writing welcome to Kousik's Tech Tutorial, and this should be double quoted. And we are also writing system.out.print welcome to Kousik's Tech Tutorial. Let's check. System.out.print prints the double quoted part in the same line. First you will have to compile. Now how to compile a Java program? We will have to click on the top left tab which is written there, compile. We will have to click on it, and we have clicked on it, and it is showing that class compiled, no syntax error. If you will find it, you can proceed to the run. If it is compiled, it is already saved, so you can close it. So we are closing it, and now we are going to the project portion where we will find the class name first program. Here I will right click on the class name first program, and I will find it is written void main string args. Okay, we will have to just click on it to get the output. Here it is, the output is coming. You can see the output is coming in the same line. We can get the output welcome to Kousik's Tech Tutorial, welcome to Kousik's Tech Tutorial in a same line, because we are using system.out.print. So system.out.print will print any output in a same line. and it is also case sensitive. What I previously told you, that Java editor is case sensitive. Here system.out.print, out and print both are starting with a small letter, whereas system is starting with a capital letter. So you will have to keep these things in your mind. Okay. So both the outputs are coming in the same line. But when we will use system.out.println, you can use system.out.println. Ln stands for new line. Okay. Or you can use system.out.print, and within the first bracket, in the double quotation, we can use \n. Okay. So both of these will give the output in a new line. So system.out.println you can use, or system.out.print within double quotation you can use \n. So let's check this program also. So I have written system.out.println, welcome to Kousik's tech tutorial, and below I have written system.out.print and using \n before welcome to Kousik's tech tutorial. So you will have to just compile it, close it, and then go to the class name, and you will have to right click on it and click on void main string args, and you will get the output. You can see the output is coming in 2 lines. So what is the output? Here it is the output. I have copied the output and I have pasted it. You can see the output is coming in 2 different lines. So system.out.print will print outputs in the same line. If you require to bring the output into different lines, you can use system.out.print, and within double quotation you can use /n, or you can use system.out.println. Ln stands for new line. Okay. So hope you have understand our first basic program. Now you can try to print the value of 60 plus 40 at your own system. For any other requirements, you can comment below, like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. The next video will come soon, and all the necessary links have been provided in the description of this video. Thank you.